What's the meaning of Alf Garnett? Alf Garnett. Alf Garnett. Alf Garnett. Alf Garnett. Alf Garnett.
Alf Garnett is a fictional character from the British sitcom, Till Death Us Do Part. He is portrayed as an outspoken, bigoted, and narrow-minded individual who often expresses racist and sexist views. The character was created by TV writer Johnny Spade in the 1960s and was played by actor Warren Mitchell. Despite being controversial, Alf Garnett became a cultural phenomenon in the UK and led to several spin-off shows and films. Today, the character is seen as a product of its time and is often cited as an example of how attitudes towards race and gender have changed over the years.